every email is an opportunity to raise the profile of your brand, increasing brand visibility. That's why it's so important to have an email signature that perfectly captures your brand identity. In this video, I'll show you 3 very simple ways that you can tailor the templates you create with an Exclaimer to your brand. This is a generic signature that I've created to use as an example, and at present, there's little to no branding applied to the design. So the first thing that you can add to a design to present your brand is your logo. A logo is added just like all images, using the images and icons components from the left-hand menu. You simply drag in the image logo component into the design where you want the logo to go. You have a choice of linking to a hosted image or instead uploading the image and embedding it within the email when sent. We highly recommend that you use the latter to avoid issues where images are not displayed. So here we are uploading our example logo and pressing OK. It's a really good idea at this stage to configure your logo image with the options on the right-hand side. First, you can add a hyperlink to make the logo clickable, specifying within the hyperlink settings a destination URL and some alt text. In addition, you can use padding to create space around the logo and make sure it's given the right amount of space. Now that we've added the logo, let's turn our attention elsewhere, to the text. Typography is another really important way we can present our brand within an email signature. It's important to be able to set fonts within your design, as well as precisely define sizes and colours for your text. Setting the master text settings for your signature is a crucial step within design, as once configured, all the text you proceed to add to your signature will by default inherit these settings. Click on the blue box that wraps the entire signature. In the options for text on the right, first set the principal font for your signature in the font family setting. Using the drop-down menu, you can select from several web-safe fonts. Alternatively, you can set a font stack, setting your brand's font and several backup fonts which can be used when recipients don't have your specific font installed. Entering a font stack should be done using commas to separate the fonts in priority order. It's at this time we can also set default font sizes in points or pixels, as well as a default text color. Color can be set for text, but also icons and borders that you use within your design. Each is a fantastic opportunity to once more represent your brand. Whenever you set a colour, you can do so in one of 3 ways. You can use the colour chart or simply type the name of the colour for simplicity. But the most accurate method is to use a hex code colour value. With these simple steps completed, you can see how our example signature already better reflects our brand. When creating your signature, use these tips to make sure your signature perfectly captures your brand identity and increases brand awareness where it's used. To learn more about Exclaimer signature design, tips and tricks, please check out our other videos. And if you have any further questions about signature design, please check out our knowledge base by clicking the link above or by reaching out to our support team.